Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start a job servicing business. You see, with job servicing, you can actually make money selling other people's services online without actually creating the service or even know how to create the service. What you are simply doing is connecting people that want to buy the service with people that can actually create the service, and you get to keep your profit for free. You don't have to do any marketing, you don't have to invest in anything. All you simply need to do is just connect them together and you're going to keep the profit for yourself. All right, so if it is something you like to do, as usual, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if it's your first time seeing the channel, please don't forget to like the video, then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so thank you for joining me once again, and like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how you can start making money with job servicing. Now, before you can be successful with this business model, you really need to understand the in and out of the business. So let me give you a brief rundown of how this business model works. Alright, so take for example, Peter wants to fix his car. So Peter came to meet you as the mechanic that can get the job done. So he pays you to fix the car for him. So you don't know how to fix the car, you are not a mechanic, and what you did instead was you collected the car from him and you collected the money. So you drove the car and you went to meet Paul. Now Paul is a mechanic and Paul knows how to fix a car. So Paul fixed the car for you and you pay Paul from the money you collected from Peter. So the remaining money in your hand is the profit you made from the transaction. So this is basically you connecting buyers and sellers of services together. So this is the whole idea behind the job servicing business model. So now let me show you an online example that you can leverage on and use to start making money for yourself. So take for example, you want to buy an Instagram follower for your Instagram account. So one of the websites that will go to your mind is Fiverr. So let's go over to Fiverr. So you want to buy Instagram followers. So what you want to do is you want to go to Fiverr and enter buy Instagram follower. So looking at the search result here, you discover that there are several sellers on Fiverr that are willing to sell this service. So looking at the search result, you discover that we have some sellers that are willing to sell the service starting at $5. We have others willing to sell the service starting at $40, and we have others willing to sell the service starting at $25, and we have others willing to sell starting at $20. We have another $5, we have $15, and several other prices like that. So based on what you've seen here, there are several sellers that are willing to sell the service. So take for example, if you've decided that you want to start selling Instagram follower on Fiverr. Now it doesn't have to be Instagram follower, I'm just using this as an example. So you could decide that you want to start selling Twitter follower on Fiverr, or you could decide that you want to start selling YouTube subscribers on Fiverr. So just choose a service that you want to be selling on Fiverr. So the next thing you want to do is you want to come over to Fiverr, then click on become a seller, that is create a seller account on Fiverr. So once you've created a seller account of Fiverr, the next thing you want to do is you want to get the people that is going to get the job done for you. Remember, you don't know how to get the job done, or you don't know how to do the job yourself. So you want to be leveraging on other people that is going to be getting the job done for you. So let's assume you've created an account on Fiverr that you want to be selling Instagram follower. All right, so the next thing you want to do even before you start getting customer is to have people that are ready to get the job done for you. So the next thing I want you to do now is go over to this website. So the name of the website is Owodele. So I'm going to add a link at the description of the video to this website. So what you want to do is go to this website, create an account. So just go to the description of the video, click the link there and create an account for yourself. So once you've created the account on this website, you're going to gain access to digital workers that can get the job done for you. So take for example, what you want to sell on Fiverr is Instagram follower. So once you've created an account on this platform, so come over here, log into your account, then come over here, then click on post job here. So once you click on post job here, it's going to bring out job category. So as you can see here, it says hire digital workers, all or target country. So here what you want to do is you want to select the target country for the Instagram follower you want to sell. So take for example, if it's Nigeria, you can choose Nigeria. If it's US, you can choose US here. So just choose the country you want to choose, or choose all. So after that, what you want to do is you want to scroll down, then choose the job category. Now remember, what we want to sell or what we want to buy on this platform is Instagram follower. So what you want to do now is you want to scroll down here, then come over here and click on Instagram micro influencer. So after that, scroll down again, then choose the subcategory of what you want to do. So if it's Instagram like, you want to buy. If it's Instagram repost, if it's Instagram comment and Instagram follow and like, just choose what you want. So if it's just follow, so what you want to do is you want to select follow here. Then after that, choose the gender. So I'm actually going to go with all. So worker. So if it's 1,000 follower the buyer wants to buy, okay, so what you want to do is you want to add 1,000 follower here, and if it's 10,000, just indicate the total amount of work you want to get here. So this is how much you are going to be paying each person for the follow that are going to be following the account you are promoting on Fiverr. So the list amount is 10 naira, as you can see here. So this to approve, that is when they follow the account. So how long is it going to take you to approve their job on this website? So you could just go with 2 or 3 days here. So let me go with 2 days here. So after that, if you want them to submit a screenshot of the follow they've done on the job you posted on the platform, so just tick yes here. Okay, so this means when they finish the job, they are going to post a screenshot, just so you know that they actually do the job. So after that, what you want to do is you want to give a description of the job. So let's say you want an Instagram follower. So all you simply need to do is just add the Instagram handle here, then tell them exactly what you want them to do. So the job title is going to be Instagram follower. So after that, put the job details here. So just enter something like I want you to follow this so account. Okay, so after you follow the account, upload a screenshot of you following the account. So here the link to the job, that is the link to the Instagram account you want them to follow. So the proof required here is going to be the screenshot you want them to upload once they've done the job. So after that, all you simply need to do is post the job here. So once you've posted the job here, the job is going to go live on the platform, and when they start following the account, you're going to be seeing the real updates from the account you are promoting. So after the job is done, all you simply need to do is just go back to your Fiverr account and indicate that the job is done. So Fiverr is going to release the money for you. So your profit is going to be how much you sell this service on Fiverr and how much you paid digital worker on this platform to get the job done for you. So for example, if you sell the product and the service on Fiverr for 10,000 naira and you get the job done on this platform for 7,000 naira, so your profit on this is going to be 3,000 naira, and you are actually not doing anything. Okay, so what you are simply doing is you are connecting buyers and sellers of services together. So you have the resources, and what Fiverr is going to give you is people that actually need the resources. All right, so this is basically how you can leverage on this business model to make simple money from the comfort of your home. All right, so this is basically how to do it. And like I said earlier, it doesn't have to be Instagram follower. Just think of any service you want to sell. Okay, so there are several services on this platform that you can browse around. All right, so like I said earlier, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video to this platform. All right, so just go there, create an account with them, then look at the service they have on this platform, then use that service to provide a seller account for yourself on Fiverr. So for every customer you are getting on Fiverr, you can easily run to this platform, then sell the job on this platform, and once they get the job done, you're going to post the job as done on Fiverr and you get paid for everything. All right, so this is basically how you can do it. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.